Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare garlic porridge, Poondu Kanji. Ingredients for garlic porridge, Poondu Kanji. 1/4 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of green gram, 2 teaspoon of fenugreek, 3 garlic, around 250 ml of milk and salt to taste. You take in the bowl, added the rice, green gram, and we're going to add the fenugreek. We're going to wash this one thoroughly. So we washed everything thoroughly. We're going to add water. For this quantity we're going to add 5 cups of water. We're going to add the garlic cloves. So 5 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have transferred this to pressure cooker. I'm going to add salt. It is very good. It's good for digestion. It's easily digestible. So we're going to lid this one for 6 whistles. So we added salt in this. Switch on the flame and leave for 6 whistles. This is the 6th whistle. So we're going to switch off the flame. Let the pressure subsides in the pressure cooker. We will check this one later. This is very light porridge. It will be little bit thicker than porridge. If you want dilute, you can add little more water to get the water consistency of the porridge. Pressure subsides now. I'm going to open the lid. It's well cooked. I'm going to mix with milk. You have to mix thoroughly, then you can add the milk. Garlic porridge from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.